Most people think the only reason to work on a cruise ship is the salary. But honestly, that's just the beginning. There are perks on board that no one really talks about, and they can change your life. Hi guys, this is Tintin and I share tips and guides about cruise ship jobs and life on board. If you're planning to apply or curious if this career is worth it, this video is for you. Let's talk about the hidden perks you didn't know about working on a cruise ship. Number one, free travel. You get to visit different countries without paying for flights or hotel. Imagine waking up in a new destination every week. Yes, busy ang work, but you still get chances to go out, explore, and experience places most people only dream of. Second, free food and accommodation. No rent, no grocery expense. That means you can save most of your salary or send it to your family. This is one of the biggest advantage financially. Third, tax-free salary in most cases. You get your full pay, unlike land-based jobs. That's why even if your job is challenging, many people choose to stay longer in this industry. It's not just work, there's fun too. During crew parties, you can enjoy free drinks and food, which is something to look forward to. Even if there's no team party, crew members can go to crew bar and get about 20% discount on drinks and alcohol. The same goes for specialty restaurant on board, may discount then around 20%. And if you like shopping sa ship stores or perfumes, jewelry, even alcohol, you also get crew discount, malaking tipid. Another underrated perk discounts outside the ship. At many ports, shops offer discounts for crew members. Sometimes you just need to say your crew, but it's better if you show your crew ID. Simple tip, always bring your ID, sayang din yung discount. You'll meet people from all over the world. This connection can turn into friendship or even opportunities in the future. It's one of the most rewarding parts of the job. Career growth is real on board. If you work hard and stay consistent, you can move up from entry-level position to supervisory roles. Hindi siya madali, but it's possible. Based on my experience, especially working in the bar, there are days that are really busy, but sometimes a simple conversation with a guest can already turn into a tip. That's when you realize this job is not just about work, it's about connection. Again, this is Tintin sharing tips and guides about cruise ship life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more real and practical advice about working on board. See you on the next video.